Today we venture into the remarkable world of avian life to explore a complex relationship between two fascinating creatures, gulls and hawks. These birds, often seen as symbols of freedom and grace, share a surprising and often tumultuous history. From the bustling coastlines to the soaring heights of mountain ranges, gulls and hawks often find themselves locked in a delicate balance of power. While this may share the skies, their interactions are far from harmonious. Join us as we unravel the intricate web of competition, predation, and survival that defines this fascinating avian rivalry. Over the next few minutes, we will delve into 7 shocking reasons why gulls and hawks are often found at odds, shedding light on the ecological forces that shape their fascinating dynamic. The animal kingdom is fraught with territorial disputes, and the world of birds is no exception. Gulls, with their raucous calls and bold personalities, are fiercely protective of their nesting grounds, often establishing colonies on cliff faces, sandy beaches, or even rooftops. Hawks, the aerial acrobats of the avian world, similarly lay claim to territories that provide optimal hunting grounds and secure nesting sites. The problem arises when these territories overlap. Both species are highly territorial, and any perceived encroachment is met with swift and often aggressive responses. Gulls, despite their smaller size, will band together to mob and harass hawks that dare to venture too close, while hawks, with their powerful talons and sharp beaks, will defend their domains with equal ferocity. Survival in the wild is a constant struggle for resources, and food is often the most fiercely contested prize. Gulls, with their opportunistic feeding habits, are known to exploit a wide range of food sources, from fish and crustaceans snatched from the water's surface to scraps scavenged from human settlements. Hawks, on the other hand, are apex predators, relying on their keen eyesight and lightning-fast reflexes to capture prey, often smaller birds and rodents. The overlap in their diets, particularly in coastal regions where both species are abundant, inevitably leads to competition. A prime fishing spot or a freshly discarded meal can become a flashpoint, with gulls harassing hawks to steal their catches and hawks actively driving gulls away from potential food sources. The relationship between gulls and hawks extends beyond mere competition for resources. It delves into the primal realm of predator and prey. While gulls might be a nuisance to hawks in terms of food and territory, they can also become the target of a hawk's predatory instincts. Hawks, particularly larger species like the red-tailed hawk, are known to prey on gulls, especially juveniles or weaker individuals. Their aerial agility and powerful talons make them formidable hunters, capable of snatching a gull from the air or ambushing it on the ground. This predator-prey dynamic adds another layer of complexity to their relationship, shaping their behaviors and influencing their interactions. Chapter 4. The struggle for survival in the avian world can be brutal, and sometimes it even extends to the sanctity of the nest. While gulls are not above scavenging for food, their opportunistic nature can take a darker turn, leading them to raid the nests of other birds, including hawks. Driven by hunger or perhaps a calculated risk to eliminate potential competitors, gulls have been observed stealing eggs and even chicks from hawk nests. This behavior, while opportunistic, represents a significant threat to hawks, who invest considerable time and energy into raising their young. The act of nest raiding further fuels the animosity between these two species, perpetuating a cycle of conflict. Chapter 5. The Lure of Refuse. In the constant battle for survival, gulls have evolved into masters of adaptation, thriving in close proximity to humans and exploiting the bounty of our wastefulness. Their scavenging habits, while beneficial for keeping our environments clean, can inadvertently draw them into conflict with hawks. Hawks, with their keen eyesight, are quick to spot an easy meal, and a flock of gulls congregating around a landfill or fishing pier acts as a beacon, signaling a potential feeding opportunity. This often leads to confrontations, with hawks swooping down to scatter the gulls and claim their share of the spoils, much to the gulls' annoyance. Chapter 6. Guardians of the Young. The animal kingdom is replete with examples of parental dedication, and both gulls and hawks are fiercely protective of their young. Gulls, despite their often chaotic social structures, exhibit remarkable unity when it comes to defending their chicks. A perceived threat, whether it's a stray dog, a curious human, or a hawk circling overhead, will be met with a cacophony of alarm calls and a flurry of dive-bombing attacks. Hawks, with their powerful talons and beaks, are equally formidable in defense of their nests. They will aggressively chase away any animal, including gulls, that ventures too close to their young, displaying an unwavering commitment to ensuring their offspring's survival. Chapter 7: An Evolutionary Arms Race. The complex relationship between gulls and hawks is not a recent development, it's the result of millennia of coevolution. A delicate dance between predator and prey, competitor and opportunist. Over countless generations, both species have developed specific adaptations and behaviors to counter each other, shaping their physical and social characteristics. Gulls, for instance, have evolved to be highly vocal and social birds, their raucous calls and mob-like behavior serving as a deterrent to predators, including hawks. Hawks, in turn, have honed their hunting skills, relying on speed, agility, and powerful talons to overcome the gull's defenses. This ongoing evolutionary arms race ensures that neither species gains a definitive advantage, maintaining the delicate balance of their frenemy dynamic. Outro until next time. So there we have it, a glimpse into the complex and often contentious relationship between gulls and hawks. These two avian species, each fascinating in their own right, are locked in a delicate dance of survival. Their interactions shaped by competition, predation, and a shared history stretching back millennia. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the rivalry between gulls and hawks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating wildlife stories. From the vast savannas to the bustling cities, the natural world is filled with extraordinary creatures and the intricate relationships that bind them. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our planet.